Hey guys, today's video we're going to be talking to you about our membership group. It's been ramping up and growing like crazy and we get a ton of questions about it. We want to talk to you about what the benefits are, what people are saying about it, and give you information on how to find it and how to get all the perks once you join.
If you haven't heard about our membership group, it's a paid channel membership that YouTube offers. It's $5 a month.
Some of the channel membership perks are getting a free printable every month created by Zeb or I that you can print out up to 100 times for commercial or personal use. You get custom emojis that you can use on our live videos and real-time chat, meaning your comments come up right when you say them in our videos. You also get a chapter of our book every month, as well as 2 extra videos, one live and one edited. Usually they correspond with each other and they cover topics like how to grow your Facebook, how to grow your Instagram, taking good photos, getting in front of the camera, and 5 goals that are gonna help you grow your business. We go back and we ask our channel members what they would like to see from us. That way we're constantly getting new content out there that is what they are wanting to see.
So I've got a full video on the tools I use almost every day and how to use those tools for common furniture repairs so you can find better deals on your pieces and have the confidence to actually fix them and make them usable again.
One of the things we want to share with you guys is what people are saying about our membership group. Tammy Stolk says, I always learned from the 2 of you. Getting started, I wanted to redo my house at first, and now I want to learn as much as I can so when I retire in a 1.5 years, I can make some extra money doing something I love doing. Thanks to the 2 of you, I believe I can.
Sassy Grits says, this membership gave me the confidence and guidance to finally stop saying one day and start with, let's do this. I had always wanted a booth, and after watching your videos and hearing your stories, I finally gave it a shot and I've loved every moment of it. The videos on staging and photo editing have been great and I implement your advice every day.
Lacey Hickman. Love the extra business tips with the channel membership. It is so personal, helpful, motivational, and inspirational. I like how they go along with some of your other videos for non-members and just builds off of the awesome content you guys are already creating. I hope to see this channel continue to grow because you guys are always investing back into it and it really shows. Angela Goins. Being a channel member has been extremely beneficial for me because Jami and Zeb are so relatable to my own story. When my husband was laid off, we jumped into our crazy business together and we watch and learn with JRB. Because you 2 have been at it longer than us, when you share your stories and pitfalls along the way, we realize we are not alone in this venture and that things do not always come easy. It's a lot of hard work and persistence. You guys are excellent mentors and truly give advice from the heart, which is what makes you 2 different from the rest. As for this video, well, I have done 2 Facebook Lives and have my 3rd scheduled for tomorrow night. I keep telling myself it will get easier and am battling through my nerves because after all, you only grow when you stretch yourself.
Katie Scott. I totally paused the video after step 2 and double checked all of my social media links. I also changed my Instagram profile picture, finally, over from my business logo to a picture of me. I've been following along on the JRV train for almost 2 years now. You gave me the know-how and the courage to step up and start my own creative business. I've been successfully flipping furniture full-time for a 1.5 years. I became a brand ambassador for a major chalk paint line, and I have grown my Instagram account to over 2,500 followers and steadily growing in the last 18 months. I learned something new from every video and am constantly inspired by your creativity. Thank you for everything that you do. Catherine Malloy. So I just started my business, Diza Rose Designs, a 1.5 months ago, so I knew literally nothing prior to that. I also just got Facebook and Instagram as well. These videos have not only been incredibly motivational, but they have given me the tools to not only navigate these different platforms and learn repairs, but to actually succeed and learn from you guys who have so much experience in this business. Unfortunately, we don't have time in a video like this to read everybody's comment. We get hundreds of comments like this a month for people that we've helped or motivated, and that's what keeps us going. It's motivational to us to see other people succeed, and we want to help as many people as we can. So we've covered the perks, but how do you join the channel membership and actually use those perks?
The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hit that join button right next to the subscribe. If you don't see that, if you check any video since January, we've got the link to our channel membership in that video. You just click that and it'll take you directly to our channel membership, and it will even go over the perks of channel membership with you in case you forgot.
To access your extra content once you're a channel member, you go to the community tab on YouTube. There are specific posts that only members can see, and there are links in those posts to a website that holds the extra things, like the chapter of our book that we're writing or the printables. And it also gives you the links to the live videos as they're going live or for watching the replay. And the extra edited video link is also found in the community tab.
All extra printables and chapters are on a separate website that you have to click to and put in the password. You're gonna find that on community. Also, we let you know a few days in advance when we're gonna be going live, and about 15 minutes before that live video goes up, we post that link in community so that way you can click it and be ready for the live video. If you have any questions about channel membership at any time, you can email customercare@jamirayvintage.com. We'll help you as much as possible. You can also contact YouTube. They handle all the billing and they also handle any IT problems that you might have.
So you may be wondering, what are we doing with your $5 every month? We've been using it to buy better editing software. I've been taking courses online to learn new tips and tricks so that we can make our videos better and streamline them so that they're easier and more engaging to watch.
We hope you enjoyed this. If you have any additional questions about channel membership, definitely comment below. We'll still always continue to provide regular content on our channel the way we always have. This is just a little extra in case you're interested to help you grow your business or even just help connect with us more. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
And don't forget to join the
Channel membership.
Bye guys.
Hit the subscribe button.